Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 8th standard, today let us study about only in the exercise 13.1 remaining some examples are here. Find out the x value in the given polygons. You can study about only find out the x value in the given polygons. Okay, in the first one, this is one quadratic is the quadrilateral A, B, C. This is the one polygon. This polygon name is quadrilateral. You know about interior angle of quadrilateral. That formula is the sum of all four angles is equal to 360 degree in your quadrilateral. That is most important. Therefore, sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is equal to how much? That is 360 degrees. The 360. Now how many angles are here? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. In the given condition, given diagram, A is given, B is given, C is given, but yet B is not given. That is x value is there. You can find out x. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Next, substitute the value. Angle A is how much is the 50 plus angle B is only x is the x. C angle 120 is the. Next, B angle 130 is equal to 360 is the. Next, addition of all these angles 50 plus or 120 plus 130 is 250 is the. 250 plus 3 is 300. X plus 300 is equal to 360. Therefore, x value is equal to 360 minus 300. Therefore, our x value is only 60 is there. Our x value is 60. This is our very easy method. Okay. This is most important. The sum of all four angles in the quadrilateral, that sum is 360 degree. What about in the second one example also? This is also one polygon is the considered A, B, C, D is the polygon. This polygon name is also quadrilateral. This quadrilateral, the four angles are here. The sum of four angles is again 360 degrees there. But in this one, what is symbol of this one? This symbol is 90 degree. That is perpendicular to AD is perpendicular to DC is there. In the linear pair of angles, one angle, two angles. These two angles, linear pair of angles is equal to 180 degrees there. But one angle is exactly 90 degree. Another angle is also 90 degrees. That is understood. Next, you can find out the x value. Again, same formula. Sum of all angles in quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees there. Okay, sum of all angles. First angle is A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 360 degree. Angle A is x is the x. B angle is 70 is the. Plus C angle is 60 is the. D angle is 90 is equal to 360 degrees the. You can find out x value. X plus, again addition of all these, 70 plus 60. 70 plus 60 is 130. 130 plus 90 is 220 is equal to 360 is the. Therefore, x value is equal to 360 minus 220. Therefore, x value is equal to 140. 140. X value is what? 140. This is your solution. What about this one? This is also one polygon. But name of the polygon is what? That is also most important. angle A, B, C, D, E is there. 5 angles are here. That is pentagon. The 5 sides are here. That is pentagon. But this is also one polygon. This polygon name is pentagon is there. In your sum of all angles in the quadrant, that is 360 degree. What about in this one? Sum of all interior angles is equal to in the pentagon, that is how much is there. Therefore, again solution, the sum of all angles in pentagon is equal to how much is there? You know about anybody? That is, this one is total sum is 540 is the total sum is 540. This is also most important formula. Next, you can put the all angles, and also before put the all angles, you can study about linear pair of angles. Linear pair means therefore this x and y is the straight angle. In the given straight angle, these two are linear pair. These two are also linear pair is the one angle is 70, another angle is what? 180 degree minus 70 is 110. Next, these two linear pair, one angle is 60 is there. What about another angle? That is 120 is there. This is 120 because 70 plus 110 is 180. Again 120 plus 60 is again 180 is there. Therefore, these two are linear pair. Two pairs are here. Again, you can find out the x value in the given condition. The sum of all angles in the pentagon, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 540. Angle A is, that is given, that is 30 is there, plus D value is angle X is there, C value is 120, D value is 110, plus E value is also X is there, E and B is equal angle is there. Therefore, 540. Next, addition of all these, 30 plus 120, 150, 150 plus 110, 160, 260 plus 2x is equal to 540. Next, you can take 260 in this side, and 2x is equal to 540 minus 260. Therefore, 2x is equal to subtraction of this one. Therefore, 540 minus 260, 0. 14 minus 6 is what? 8 is the, that is 2 is the. 280 is the. 280 is the. 2x is equal to 280, but only x is equal to 280 divided by 2. Therefore, x value is 140 degrees. The x value is 140. Cancellation. 2 ones are 2 140s are. Got it? This much you are find the x value in the given polygon. That is the triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. You can choose any one. The formula is the sum of all 4 angles in the quadrant, that is 360. Sum of all angles in the pentagon, that is 540 degree. The sum of all 3 angles in the triangle, that is 180 degrees. You can study about in your interior angle theorem also. Next, you can study about in the 7th main also here or B. Next, 7th one, in the triangle only interior angle and exterior angles. 90 is interior angle, 30 is interior angle, this is also interior angle, but exterior angles are x is exterior angle, y is also exterior angle, and z is also exterior angles are here. You can find out the sum of x plus y plus z. Okay, you will learn about linear pair of angles, and also exterior of angles. Next, you can find out linear pair of angles 90 degrees. This straight line linear pair. Therefore, first one 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x value is 180 degree minus 90. Therefore, x is equal to 90 degree. That is linear pair of angles. What about this one? These two are also linear pair. Linear pair means therefore z plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, Z is equal to 180 degree minus 30. Z is equal to, therefore, 180 minus 30 means 150. What about next? But in the given, angle is not given, interior angle. Therefore, interior angles of a triangle. Angles of triangle is equal to total sum is interior or sum of all angles in the triangle, that is 180 degrees. 180 degree. Therefore, this angle is considered. This angle, find out this angle is x, y, z is there. I can take p angle. Therefore, one angle is 90 degree. Next angle is 30 degrees. Next, this angle is p is there. You can find out the p. Therefore, 90 plus 30 is what? 120 plus p is there is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, p angle is equal to 180 degree minus 120. Therefore, p value is 60 degree. P value is 60. When p is 60, this is 60. Find out the y value. Therefore, 60 plus y, again your linear pair of angle. These two sum is 180 degree. 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, y is equal to 180 degree minus 60. Therefore, y is equal to 120 degree. Y is equal to 120. Therefore, sum of all these x plus y plus z. Therefore, x plus y plus z is equal to, x value is what? 90 plus 150 plus 120 is equal to what? 270, 260. 360 is the, this is 360. 360. This is your find out the extra angles of here. Again, same as this, like also same is the, you can find out the same. One angle is given, this angle is also given, this angle is also given. Linear pair. These two linear pair is what? One angle is 80, another angle is what? 100 is there. Next, linear pair of these two. Linear pair. One angle is 120, but this angle is only 60. Next, linear pair of these two. 60 is that, this is 120 is there. But this one is, again consider this like interior angle of quadrilateral. 60 plus 80 plus 180. Remaining is what? Is like this the 120. 80 plus 60, therefore 0, 16, 260 is the 260, 360 minus 260 is equal to, this angle is 100 is the, okay, 100. These two again linear pair, 100, w is 80 is the, therefore x plus y plus z plus w is equal to, the again x value is what? 60. Y value is 100, Z value is 120 plus W is 80 is the, again addition of all this. 100 plus 120, 220. 200 plus 80 is 300. 360 is the, we can do this method. You can write properly in your classwork or homework also. Next, you can study about only, in your next class, you can study about only interior and exterior angles only. Okay, before study about the exterior angles, you can study about some of interior angle. Interior angles of a polygon. The first one, sum of angles in a triangle. Angles in triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. How many angles are here? 3 angles. This sum is what? That is 180 degree. Next, second one, sum of angles in quadrilateral. 360 degrees. 360 degree. Next, third one, sum of all angles in a pentagon. Pentagon. How much is that? 540. Next, fourth one, sum of all angles in the hexagon. Hexagon. How much is that? Next, again fifth one, sum of all angles in the heptagon. Heptagon. How much is that? Next, again, sum of all angles in octagon. How much total angles? Next, also nanogon. Nanogon also. Right. Next, decagon. Decagon also you can find out. How you can find out the sum of all interior? Okay. In a triangle, the angle sum of three angles equal to 180 degree, and how? Justify your answer. Sum of four angles equal to 360 degree. No problem. How? Okay. Dear students, one very important formula is that is the sum of angles in polygon. Sum of interior angles of a polygon. Polygon is equal to formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n is the. This is your standard formula. Where n is equal to sides of polygon. Sides of a polygon. N is equal to sides of a polygon. You can choose a triangle. How many sides are here? 3 sides are here. Okay, 3 sides are here. Therefore, first one, triangles is equal to how many sides are here? 3 sides. But what about sum of triangles? Justify your answer. Formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n is the. Therefore, n value is number of sides 3 is the 3 minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 3 is the. Therefore, 3 minus 2 is only 1 into 180 degree. Therefore, 3 is the. 3 ones are 3 6 80. Therefore, regular triangle or equivalent triangle, one angle is equal to 60 degree. One angle is equal to 60 degree. How many angles are here? All angle 3 angles is equal to all angle. How much angle? 3 into 60 is equal to 180 degree. This is our answer. Next, you can apply in quadrilateral. Number, you can sides 3 is that is triangle. Sides are 4 is that is quadrilateral. Therefore, again in a quadrilateral, n into n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n is the. Therefore, put the value. Sides is, you can take 4 sides, that is quadrilateral. 4 minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 4 is the. Next, you can simplification. 4 minus 2 is 2 into 180 degree divided by 4 is the. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Next, 2 ones are 2 90s are. One angle is 90. In quadrilateral, how many angles are here? 4 angles. Therefore, quadrilateral 4 angles. 4 into 90 is equal to 360 degree. This is 360 degree. This is 360 degrees over. Next, you can find out in pentagon. In pentagon, how many sides are here? In pentagon, 5 sides are here. 5 sides. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 5 is the. Again simplification. In pentagon, 5 sides, 5 angles. You can say 5. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180 degree divided by 5 is the. Again cancellation. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 therefore 3 into 36 is equal to. Therefore 3 6 are 80, carry 1, 3 3 are 9, 10 is 108. Therefore, only not only interior angle. Okay, 180 degrees. One angle is equal to 108. But total in pentagon, how many angles are a pentagon? 5 angles. Therefore, sum of all angles is equal to 5 into 108 is equal to 8 4s are 40. Next, 5 is 5. 540. This is 540 is over. The sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 540. What about interior angle of the hexagon? Hexagon is the hexagon. Hexagon, how many sides are hexagon? 6 sides are here. Okay. Therefore, 6 minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 6 is there. 6 minus 2 is 4 into 180 divided by 6 is there. Again simplification. 6 1s are 6 3s are 80. 4 into 30 is equal to 4 3s are 12. 120 is the 120 degree. In hexagon, the each angles have 120 degree in the regular hexagon. Next, therefore, one angle is equal to 120 degree. In the hexagon, 6 angles are here. Therefore, all angles is equal to 6 into 120 is equal to 12 6 72 720 degree. Therefore, sum of all angles in the hexagon, that is 720 degrees there. In the 720 degree in hexagon. What about in heptagon? Heptagon means 7 sides are here. Heptagon, 7 sides are here. 7 sides. Again, therefore, 7 minus 2 into 180 degree divided by 7 is the therefore 7 minus 2 is 5 into 180 degree divided by 7. Next, cancellation is the check question once again. 7 ones are 7 twos are 14. Remaining 4 is the 40 is the, or otherwise you can directly multiplication this like 5 into 180 degree divided by 7. Multiplication 180 into 5, 0, 5 is the 40, 5 into 5 is 9 is the 900 divided by 7. This is decimal number is the no problem. Decimal number is the therefore 7 is divisible by 90 is the therefore take. Therefore sum is this one angle is equal to 128.5 is the therefore all angles in heptagon 7 is the 128.5 into 7 multiplication is the that is total angle. Got it? This is only interior angle formula. You know about today study about only exterior angles. What about exterior angles in the given? Exterior angles, therefore exterior angles. First one, sum of measure of a exterior angles of a polygon. Exterior angle of a polygon, sum of exterior angles of a triangle is equal to how much? In a triangle, because triangle is this like is the one triangle. This like triangle is the x plus y plus z is the interior angles. But all angles, interior angles sum is 180 degrees there. Therefore, this is 60 is there. Got it? 63 is 36. 360. Oh, 180 is there. 180 is there. Sorry, 180. There 180 is there. Next, linear pair of these two linear pair. That is external angle is 180 degree. This is also 180 degree. This is also 180 degree. Therefore, one external angle is 180 Therefore 3 into 120 is equal to 360 degree angle. Sum of exterior angle of a triangle is equal to 360 degree. Second one, sum of exterior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to how much? In the quadrilateral, you can draw one quadrilateral. You can choose one quadrilateral. A rectangle is also quadrilateral. Square is also one quadrilateral. Okay. This like is the in a quadrilateral 90 degree is the 90 degree. Again consider linear pair. Linear pair means one angle is 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. 90. What is 90 degrees? Therefore, again exterior angle 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are here. Therefore, 4 into 90 is equal to 4 9s are 36. Therefore, this is also 360 degrees. The sum of the exterior angle of the quadrant is 360 degree. What about next third one? Sum of exterior angles of a pentagon. Pentagon is equal to how many angles are there in the pentagon? In the pentagon, 5 angles are here, but you can find out only one angle. Regular pentagon. All angles are equal. Therefore, that is 180 degrees there, 108 is there. This like here, no problem. Pentagon, regular pentagon constructs this line. Regular is there. Therefore, in the pentagon, interior angle of pentagon of each of the interior angle is 180 degree. 108 is there. But it's 108 into 5 is that is 540. But one exterior angle is equal to what? Exterior angle. 108 plus 72. Again, these two linear pair is 180. Therefore, in the pentagon, 5 angles are here. 5 into 72 is equal to 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 36 is there. This is also 36. This is also 36 is there. What about next one? Next one is what? Again, fourth one. Sum of exterior angles of a hexagon. Therefore, in the 6 sides are here. A regular hexagon. Regular means all sides are equal. Therefore, 6 angles are here. 6 angles. In how much? One angle into how much? You can use the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n. The sides are 6 are here. 6 minus 2 divided by 6 into 180 degree. 6 1s are 6 3s are therefore 4 into 30 is equal to 120 degree. One angle is 120 same as it is. Therefore each angle is equal to 120 is the interior angle. What about exterior angle? Exterior angle equal to 60. Therefore, the sum of exterior angle of the hexagon, the how many angles are exterior angle? 6 is the 6 into 60 is equal to 60 is the 36 is the 360 degree. Okay, one condition is the sum of all exterior angles of a polygon is equal to that is 360 degrees constant is that, because triangle is also 360 degree, quadrilateral is also 360 degree, pentagon is also 360 degree. and also hexagon, heptagon, these all are 360 degree. Therefore, our condition is sum of the measure of external angles is equal to external angle of the polygon, that is 360 degrees. Okay, I shall continue next class. You learn about more in the concept in your external angle, internal angle. Okay, I shall continue next class.